5 things you should do to care for your skin during menopause. Have you heard that your skin will undergo serious changes during menopause? Are you afraid of what will happen? Today, we'll talk about how to care for your skin during menopause. First of all, you have no reason to fear menopause. It's a natural stage in every woman's life. After 40, your body will start to undergo some changes. The most important of these is that your ovaries will stop producing reproductive hormones and menstruation will end. When this time comes, it is often accompanied by mood changes and even skin that's not so smooth and soft anymore. Many women are afraid of menopause because they think their beauty will go away. However, the good news is that you don't have to resign yourself to bad skin during menopause. In fact, it's the opposite. There are a multitude of options you have to help restore vitality, and we'll tell you about them here. 1. Come detox your skin. One of the most effective ways to care for your skin during menopause is to keep it free of toxins. You may not be aware of it, but over the day your skin comes in contact with all kinds of harmful elements. Ideally, you should have gotten into the habit of cleaning your face every day when you were a teenager. However, we know that you may have had other worries at the time and put it off. Now that you're starting to see changes, it's important to let the pores of your face breathe. From dust to sweat, all of these elements may cause changes deep in your skin. To keep them from affecting you, you have to be sure to clear these substances off every day. You can do it by washing your face daily. You can opt for a store-bought makeup remover, natural soap and warm water, or natural oils. What's important is that you do this cleaning every day. In addition, you should make sure to exfoliate your skin once a week. This process is essential for getting rid of dead skin cells and clearing contaminants deep in your pores. At the same time, be stimulating cell renewal. We recommend reading Rejuvenating Grape and Vitamin C Exfoliant. To calm and protect yourself from the sun. While it's good to get the vitamin D you need, when you're out in the sun you should always use enough sunscreen. This way, your skin can absorb what it needs without running the risk of getting any of the types of skin cancer that are out there. So remember, the best times of day to be in the sun are before noon and after 3 p.m. Always keep water on hand to drink when you're thirsty. Your sunscreen should be at least 35 SPF. 3. Give your skin natural fats to maintain its natural shine. Normally, as you get older you become more confident and know yourself better. However, your hormones don't follow along. Instead, estrogen goes down during menopause, which affects your skin. This lower amount of estrogen can make your skin look thin, dry, wrinkled. Luckily, eating foods that provide hydration and natural healthy fats, like avocado or salmon, can help care for your skin during menopause. 4. Increase your consumption of collagen-rich foods to care for your skin during menopause. During menopause, your skin also stops producing its normal amount of collagen. While it may happen gradually, you'll soon starting noticing it. Usually what you'll see is a somewhat sunken-in look in your neck, jawline, and cheeks. The appearance of small lines in the above areas. More wrinkles above your lips. If you are experiencing this problem, you can apply collagen directly to your skin. All you have to do is find collagen capsules and apply the content to your skin with gentle circular massaging motions. Just make sure you get high-quality collagen capsules. Another alternative is to eat foods that naturally contain this nutrient. A few examples are fish, salmon, tuna, oysters. Vegetables, tomatoes, carrots, spinach, cucumber, peppers, garlic. Red berries, eggs, soy, white tea. Check this out, 2. 8 foods to replenish collagen in your skin. 5. Hydrate your skin during menopause both inside and out. After menopause, your skin may look very dry because the glands in charge of producing skin oil turn off. To keep this from happening, be sure to drink enough water. Remember that 8 glasses of water a day is the minimum you need for your body to do everything it needs to do. Besides hydrating you, water has the ability to eliminate toxins from the inside out. Eat foods that naturally hydrate you. Vegetables like cucumber and tomatoes are full of water. When you eat a lot of them, you're sure to make up for any deficiencies if you have a hard time drinking enough liquids. Use high-quality moisturizers. High-quality moisturizing creams and lotions can supply collagen, fat, and water that your skin loses during menopause. The best thing would be to make your own lotion with natural elements like mineral oils and rose water. If you prefer buying something at the store, try to get the highest quality, most natural option.